I wanted to share an interesting survey about renters that I was reading this week. And the findings of this survey that were outlined in the article were that 20%, pretty large number, of renters are using their full paycheck to cover just their rent payments right now. Like, that's astonishing to me. And we know that the real estate market has changed quite a bit in the recent years, with the home values increasing significantly. Mortgage rates have gone way up from where they were a few years ago, and maintenance and upkeep costs have also gone up with those. And all these changes together translated into higher costs for landlords that were then translated to higher rent payments for tenants. So many of the tenants are actually working a second job just to cover other expenses, and some people even stayed in jobs that they hate just so they can make enough money to cover rent. And others leaning on their family, their friends, just trying to get by through other means of financial support. And while there has been a focus on increasing the housing supply in our area, it's mostly the bigger cities at this point that are really starting to see a change. It is going to take a long time before the inventory balances out, especially in the Fox Valley. So if you're renting, it's worth talking to a financial advisor or a lender about your options. Buying a home might seem like a stretch to you, but it's an investment in your future and often way more achievable than you think. As always, we are here to answer any questions you might have about what we're seeing in the local market.